Hello everyone. We are a team of 4 students from India brought together by one common goal: problem solving. And we want to showcase our solution to the world. So, let's grab on our shovels and dig deep into the problem. The small story above portrays the problem of thousands of similar families residing around water bodies infested by algal blooms, getting both their daily functioning and livelihoods threatened. Problem: algal blooms in water bodies cause nutrient pollution and imbalanced ecosystem. Environment, aquatic ecosystems and water bodies. Implications: environmental degradation, public health risks, and economic instability.
Our family has relied on Dal Lake for generations for fishing, agriculture, and our daily activities.
Yes, it's not just a water body for us, it's the heart of our livelihood and traditions.
Mom, why is the water so green and murky?
It's those algal bloom. They are taking over the lake.
It's affecting our fishing. There are fewer fish to catch for our meals.
Even washing utensils and clothes has become tough now. The algae makes everything impossible.
Even our religious ceremony feel different with the algae around.
And we can't cook with the contaminated water anymore. It's not safe.
The local economy is suffering. Fishing and tourism are declining.
Even our religious ceremony feel different with the algae around.
Are there any solutions, Mom?
Yes, scientists and environmentalists are working to restore the lake.
Together, we can bring back its beauty and ensure a brighter future for all.
Our solution to the problem BioBloom offers a promising solution to the problem of algal blooms and eutrophication. This innovative device combines advanced technology, sustainable materials, and a closed resource loop approach to filter and remove algae from water bodies.
What is BioBloom? In short, it's an eco-friendly filtration bot, especially designed keeping harmful algae blooms in mind. In fact, a major portion of its body is made up of bioplastics, which can be extracted from the waste algae collected. BioBloom also comes with an allied app, which gives various insights such as battery, coordinates, and water level, making it easier to use and maintain. Thank you.